To pay with PayPal on PlayStation Store, you need to have a PayPal account and a PlayStation Network account. First, sign in to your PlayStation Network account on your console or through the PlayStation Store website. Navigate to the PlayStation Store and select the item you want to purchase. This can be a game, DLC, or any other digital content. Once you have selected the item, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be asked to select a payment method. Choose PayPal as your payment method from the available options. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment process. If you are not already signed in to your PayPal account, you will be asked to sign in with your email address and password. Once signed in, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the item you are purchasing. Confirm the payment to complete the transaction. You will be redirected back to the PlayStation Store, where you will receive a confirmation of your purchase. The item you purchased will be added to your PlayStation Network account and will be available for download. It is essential to ensure that your PayPal account has sufficient funds to cover the purchase, and that your PayPal account is linked to a valid payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using PayPal, such as transaction fees. By following these steps, you can easily pay with PayPal on the PlayStation Store. This method provides a convenient and secure way to make purchases on the PlayStation Store, and is a great option for those who prefer to use PayPal for their online transactions.